Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss one important problem from one-dimensional random variable. Let us see one problem. Let capital X be a random variable, which means either it satisfies discrete or continuous random variable with the given expected value of capital X equal to 1 and expected value of x into x minus 1 equal to 4. Find variance of x. Second question is find variance of 2 minus 3x, and third one is find variance of x by 2. Okay, what is given? So here the given function is expected value of x, that is equal to 1, and also the expected value of x minus 1, that is equal to what? 4. First question, we find variance of capital X. Okay. Second question is what? Second question, we find variance of 2 minus 3x. And question is find what? Third question is what? Variance of x by 2. So coming to first question, we are going to find of x. So we know that variance of x is nothing but we can write what? Expected value x square minus expected value of x whole square, right? We know what is the expected value of x, that is equal to 1. We don't know what is expected value of x square, right? So first we find expected value of x square by using this function. Okay, so let us take the given function expected value of into x minus 1. Okay, so simplify this. So you consider this is equation number 1, right? So how to simplify this? First we multiply these two. We expected value of what? X into x, x square minus x, right? So we know one problem. So whenever expected value of ax plus, so we can write this a into expected value of x plus b. So using this property, I'm is what? X value of x square minus expected value of x. So what is value? This value is nothing but given 4, right? So we need expected value of x square. So you bring this term left hand side, we get what? 4 plus expected capital X. We know 4 plus what is the expected value of x, that is equal to 1. Therefore, we get what? Expected value of x square equal to 5. So we know expected value of x value 1, expected value of x square equal to 5. So using these two, we can find what? Variance of x, right? So from equation number 1. So from 1 can be written as variance, that is equal to what is the expected value of x square? 1 whole square. So 1 is nothing but 1. So 5 minus 1 can be 4. Therefore, variance of x equal to what? You get 4, right? So similarly, we are going to find the second question. What is second? Okay. What is second question? Second question is of what? 2 minus 3x. So we can write this what? Variance of minus x plus 2. Okay. So property. What is our property? We know variance of ax, a plus or minus b, that is equal to a square what? Variance of capital X, right? So use property, we can say that a equal to minus 3, b equal to 2. Okay, so therefore variance of 3x equal to what? Minus 3 whole square into variance of capital X. So what is variance of x? That is given. So we know previous value. So that is we found variance of x equal to what? 4. So substitute. So we get what? 3 minus 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 4 equal to what? 36, right? So therefore variance of 2 minus 3x, that is equal to what? 36, right? So what is third? So what is third question? Third question, we are going to find variance of what? X by 2, right? So we can write this variance of 1 by 2 x plus. I am going to write this property. A value is 1 by 2, B value. Okay, so both are equal, right? So using this property, we can write what? 1 by 2 whole square variance of capital X, right? So we know 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Of x is nothing but previous question. Using first question answer, we get what? 4, right? 4 are getting, you get answer is what? Only 1. So therefore, we can say that variance of x by 2 equal to what? 1. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.